Yes. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? So, I hope you are all fine. Yes, and today we are going to start this topic, finding the value of an algebraic expressions. Okay, when the value of the variables are known, that means we are knowing the value of the variables. Okay, and it is first video for this week. So, let's start, students. Yes, as we are knowing that the value of an algebraic expression depends on the value of the variables. Depends on the value of the variables forming the expression. Whatever expression is there, it depends on the value of the variables. Okay, the value of the algebraic expression depends on the value of the variables by which it is formed. Okay, and now the question arises that in which situations we need to find the value of the algebraic expressions. So there are various situations, such as in this expression only. You can see in this example I am saying, if we want to find the value of this algebraic expression 6x square plus 5y, then we need the value of x and y. If we will substitute the value of x and y over here, then we can find the value of this given algebraic expression 6x square plus 5y. Now, there are a number of situations in which we need to find the value of an expression, such as when we wish to check whether a particular value of a variable satisfies the given equation or not. Okay, that means a given equation is satisfied by a particular value of the variable or not. Understood? Such as 8x minus 3 equals to 9 minus 2x. It is an equation. This is an equation only. So here the LHS part is 8x minus 3 and the RHS part it is 9 minus 2x. Okay. So if we will put the value of x here, then we can find that LHS and RHS separately, and at the last we can see that both the parts, LHS part and RHS part, are equal or not. So this way we can see that the variable satisfies the given equation or not. If after substituting the value of the variable x here, it is satisfied, means the LHS part is equal to the RHS, then we can say yes, the equation is satisfied by the value of the variable. Okay, now some questions to find the value of the expressions. So find the value of the following expressions for x equals to 2. Here only one variable I have taken, so the question or the expression also contains one variable only. Now you can see 4x minus 3, so we can find that 49 minus 5x square. Okay, these are the two algebraic expressions. First is 4x minus 3, this one, and the second is 49 minus 5x square. Okay, now first we will find the value of this expression, first 4x minus 3. So putting, how we will find the value, like this here. See, putting x equals to 2 in the expression 4x minus 3, we get 4 into 2 minus 3. Okay, that means value of x is here given 2 given, you can see value of x is 2. So put the value 4 into 2. Okay, so here also we will write that putting x equals to 2 in the expression 49 minus 5x cube, we get what we are getting, x equals to 2 we have to put. So 5 into x cube here written, you can see it is 5 into x cube. That means it is 5 into 2 to the power 3, 2 cube. X value is 2, so 5 into 2 cube written, and 49 as it is you will write 49 minus 5 into x cube means 5 into 2 cube. Now 2 cube is 3 power given, that means 2 we will multiply 3 times here. So 49 minus 5 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means it is 8. So we will write that 49 minus 5 into 8 it is. 5 into 8 is 40. So ultimately we will subtract equals to 49 minus 40, because according to the BODMAS, first you will multiply 5 into 8, 5 and 8, then you will subtract from 49. Okay, so 49 minus 40 equals to 9. So the value of this expression is 9 when x equals to 2. When the value of x is 2, then the value of this expression is 9. Okay, now here we have two variables in this algebraic expressions. There are two algebraic expressions. So find the value of the following algebraic expressions for a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. Here a is 3 and b is 4, and the first expression is 7a minus 5b, and second is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's solve this and find the value. So first is 7a minus 3b. So I'm going to solve this. Look at here. So putting a equals to 3 and b equals to 4 in the expression 7a minus 5b, what we are getting, that a is 3, so 7 into 3 you will write here, and a is 3, so 7 into 3, and 5 into b, and b is 4, so 5 into 4. Now it is 21 minus 20. What we are getting here? It is 21 minus 20. 7 into 3 is 21, and 5 into 4, 20. First we will multiply according to the BODMAS, then at the last we will subtract. Okay, so by mistake some students are doing that 3 minus 5 only first, this 3 minus 5, that is a mistake only. First you will do this multiply 7 into 3 and 5 into 4. There is no need to give the bracket, because the BODMAS rules tells us that first multiply these two values according to first multiply, and after that subtraction operation you will do the operation subtraction. So 21 minus 20, it is 1. So the result of this value of this expression is 1. Okay, now second question is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means it is the now we will find the value. You see that putting what a is here 3 and b is 4, so we will substitute the value a equals to 3 and b equals to 4 to find the value of this expression also. So in the expression a square plus 2ab plus b square, so a square means here we will write 3 square, a square means 3 square, and then 2, then here a is again 3, 2ab, for the middle term 2ab, a is 3 and b is 4, so 2 into 3 into 4, and last term, third term is b square, that means it is 4 square because b is 4. Okay, now therefore here we will write that 3 square is 9, 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24, and 4 square is 16. Now we will add the value 9 plus 24 plus 16, so this will come 49. So value of this expression is 49. Okay, so this way you can find the value of the expressions. So your homework will be from NCERT book, from chapter number 12 algebraic expressions, exercise 12.3, question number 1 to 6. Okay, and RS Agrawal also you will complete exercise 6D, question number 16 to 22 for multiplications of algebraic expressions. So thank you all of you, and do watch these videos nicely for understanding all the things. Thank you all of you.